Hey YouTube, Daniel Isbell here coming at you live from my home in northern Colorado. In this video I will share with you the exciting views and experiences I was able to soak in over this last weekend at the Aviation Content Creators Awards in Stearman Field in Benton, Kansas. We flew out to Kansas from my home field in Greeley, Colorado on Friday morning and were on the ground in Kansas by lunchtime. While there, I recorded my flight around the patch in my 1980 Cessna TR-182. It was a really fun experience. Everyone was up flying, giving rides, recording content for their channels. We were all very respectful of each other and diligent on the radios so as not to diminish any safety. I have compiled and edited the following video to share with you that flight. Please have a look and let me know your thoughts and comments down below. I'm new to video editing, so I welcome the comments you might have for me. And please like and subscribe to the channel if you feel like you've enjoyed this content. And don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any of the next videos. big ideas for future videos on this channel. I'd like to continue showcasing my new instrument panel from Garmin and each of the individual components, especially the Garmin GTN 750. And I also want to take you along with me as I fly around the mountains of Colorado, absorbing the majestic scenery and visiting all of the airstrips, while sharing with you some of the most important safety precautions to consider while mountain climbing. I hope you enjoy this video. Fly safe.